Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can avoid bots on Omegle. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so in order to avoid bots on Omegle, first you have to go to Google Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar you have to type Omegle anti-spam. And here you can see we have an Omegle extension for our browser called Omegle anti-spam and dark mode. So just go ahead and add this extension into your browser. And once you are done with that, now just go to Omegle and then simply open up the extension we added before. And here if you want, you can enable the dark mode, and we also have some other options like anti-spam and auto block strangers for spam chat. And in the last, if you want, you can also add a welcome message as well. And once you are done with all that, now just go ahead and start a video chat on Omegle, and this time you will not find any bots. So that's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.